You've got Kevin skating around, practicing his stick handling. Trying to be a little show off there. The ice is a little too choppy for all that, huh? Practicing some hockey stick handling on his backyard rink that he has. Around the boards. Whoa, wipeout. Did you see that defenseman there? That was a trip. That was a trip. Wipeout.